at this one, Line Lock Green. Only 356 of these made in the coupes. Beautiful color on this car. Of course, 6.2 liter underneath the hood. That is paired up with the automatic transmission, which would be a 6-speed with paddle shift. This particular car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. A little over 8,600, and we'll check that out when we open it up. Start her up. We'll look at the engine bay, look this one over, and get you exact miles. But less than 9,000 original miles on this one, and again, clean Carfax. Go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. Now, there are a few little spots where you can see it has been just touched up with a little bit of touch-up paint. Maybe got a little rock chip from the road or what have you. Overall, this car shows very well. As you can see, nice luster to the paint. Jet black leather interior. This also has a Z51 package, which you'll be able to tell by the slotted rotors here. Now, if you're interested in checking out the still pictures, you can look at the underside of this car, interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. See up and down the passenger side. I mean, look at the reflection coming off that. See the wall behind me very clearly in that. Paint, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, these C7s very nicely loaded up Corvettes. This particular one, it has a 3LT package. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Center dump exhaust, great sounding cars, handling performance, top notch on these. This has a removable solid green top, and that is in the back. And I do have pictures of the RPO code, so you can see all the options on this car. I have pictures of the top on, top off, the hatch with the top in it, top out of it, so you can see the condition of the rear hatch area, interior, and all those still pictures once again can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, just click on the link. That's going to take you right there. And wow, just look at this. The limelight green is such a cool color. You just don't see a lot of them. Again, look at the reflection coming off that car. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Like I said, it's got a few little rock chips and stuff painted up on the front fascia. A little touch up. But other than that, very, very nice looking car. All right, so some of the interior features on this. Heads-up display, of course, your steering wheel controls. Got your driver's information controls on the steering wheel. Also, as far as your cruise, you'd have the dual climate control as well as heated and ventilated seats. Navigation system, the whole media center. Of course, power seat. Memory seating here, both stereo system, power windows, power locks, of course. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. Let's look at the exact miles too. So there's your exact miles, 8,867. Alright. Now, no warning indicators, no checking the engine lights, anything like that. All the gauges working properly. The one you see flashing, that's just a seatbelt light, since I don't have that on. Of course, your information center. Oops. Try it up here, turn that down. Of course, your dual climate control, your heated and ventilated seat controls. Dash all in nice shape. Again, heads-up display. Alright. Slip around to the back of this and hear it run. Sounding pretty stock. No crazy aftermarket exhaust or anything like that. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood so you can check out the engine bay. I'm going to pause this a second, just make it a little easier to get this hood open. We'll check it out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Hood popped. There's that 6.2 liter. The V8 GM engine doesn't look like there's any sort of modifications. It does have a nice setup with the battery tender. Comes on these. Has it mounted nicely. Runs the cord up, so if you just want to plug it in and it's in your garage, you just tend the battery so the battery doesn't run down. Of course, the computers, those things always kind of slowly drain the batteries in the later model car. So nice little setup with the battery tender. You can see how nice and tidy it is underneath there. Smooth runner, just what you'd expect. Again, no major modifications. Looking for a Corvette you're not going to see every day. 2014 line lock green coupe. 356 of these made. A little over 8,600 miles on it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirms miles, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.